I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
What are we doing?
We're gonna actually do a kale smoothie, which is super good for you. And we're gonna add some extra vegetables and some fruit.
So we're gonna have water, we're gonna add some ice, and you're doing the avocado.
Yeah, I'm gonna do half of an avocado,
and 1 banana.
which gives us the good fats.
Oh, very good. And we're throwing in some mango for some sweetness. That's really good.
A little bit of lime.
This is our limeade powder. We also have lemonade powder. Just adds that little bit of pineapple for sweet.
And we're gonna add some celery.
Some cucumber.
And some kale. Is that about good?
Yeah, looks good to me.
Perfect. All right,
So
so
a little bit of kale that you just put in there seems like a little bit, but actually if you had that fresh, it would fill the whole container. So it is really concentrated.
All right.
We're gonna blend that up.
we're gonna blend it all up and then we'll bring it back. All right, so that's our blended smoothie. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a brand new video.
And give us a thumbs up if you like this video and give it a try for yourself. Comment in below different ways what fruits and vegetables you like in your smoothies.
And we will actually be posting down below also the recipe that we just used.
And remember,
You can do this too.